let's move on. Before going to tell you about the Leo company, I want to tell you one thing here which is very important, which is very necessary for you. There is a lot of many different type of industries are working in the world, like banking is an industry, hoteling field is an industry, medical field is an industry, educational field is an industry, and they are working across the world. Similarly, we are working in direct selling industry. People know this industry with a different name, like direct referral, like binary team, like different names, like direct reference. Lot of different names it have. My dear all listeners, worldwide more than 103 million entrepreneurs are involved in direct selling. And what is direct selling? Direct selling is established in 1911 till 2017. It made 80% millionaires, billionaires from across the world. Now you can imagine that this is a big industry. Brand ambassadors can build their business according to their free time schedule on their own terms anywhere in the world. Millions of people around the world choose to become involved in direct selling because they enjoy a company's product or services and want to become millionaire within next 5 years. Guys, this is an industry from where you can change your life within 5 years. Now let's move on. In this industry, it have one company which is called Leo. Today we will discuss what is Leo. We will discuss what is the marketing plan of Leo. Today we will discuss how you can become the member of this company and you can start your business anywhere in the world. Before going to tell you about the company, I want to share you Leo company profile. The official name of Leo company is Learning Enterprises Organization UK Limited, and it is a UK based organization. A company that is credible, intelligent, transparent, and worthy. And the CEO and president of this company is Dan Ederson. He also belongs from UK, and he have a experience of network marketing industry, have a networker, and he have also experience of management HR in the top position of network marketing company. Now guys, he have a board of directors. They have experience more than 100 years. Now you can imagine that your future is bright, your future is in secure hands because you are working under the secure umbrella. Let's move on. Leo company, when Leo company was designed on paper, the CEO of this company, Dan Ederson, from first day he decided he will open its sixth regional head office to lead the world. Now he planned he will open his its Leo head office in UK, in United Kingdom. Then he will open his regional head offices across the world in Dubai, London, Hong Kong, New York, Mexico, and the Janeiro. But finally, now he opened three head offices, regional head offices: Hong Kong, Dubai, Canada, and remaining three regional head offices will open very soon. A lot of different countries have its own country head offices. And now we are working more than 190 different countries across the world. This is the journey of this Leo company. Leo company was launched in 20th December 2012. At that time, people was thinking today was the last day of the world. At that time, CEO of this company, Mr. Dan, said that if it was the last day of the world, then we will die on the beautiful place of the world. And if it will not last day of the world, then people know about the world with the name of Leo. And now Leo is the brand in the world. What is the very important, this is the very important slide for you guys. You know very well every industry have a authentic organization from where these organizations get the certifications or legalizations to work anywhere in the world. we are working in, let's suppose like that, in field of medical, any product is registered from wha, we can say that it is a legal product, World Health Foundation. Similarly, that we are working in direct selling and we are properly registered from DSA UK, UAE, Pakistan, and lot of other DSA. We are pending members and we will get properly certifications very soon. Let's move on. This is very important slide. This is the backbone of the business, which is called business concept. Before going to tell you about the Leo business concept, I want to share you the law of the world. Every person want a good bank balance. Every person want a luxury car. Every person want a luxury house. Every person want it have its own business empire anywhere in the world. But before going to build all these things, you must have amount in your bank account or in your pocket. Then you are eligible to build all these things. But before going to earn the money, you must have a platform, desire or dream to do something big in your life. My dear, this is very important thing to discuss with you. What is the Leo concept, business concept? It is learn, earn, and on. It's learning platform. You can learn that how you can become entrepreneurs in your own life. Then it's have another platform, it is called earn. You will build your own network, then you will start earning in pounds anywhere in the world. And it's a last platform of ownership, where you will get ownership, where you can build your assets across the world. My dear all listeners, today we will discuss how you can learn from this company, how you can earn from this company, and how you can build your assets anywhere in the world. Let's move on. Before going to tell you about all these things, I want to share you Leo business concept, where we have the projects, different projects we are working. First three project we have Leo coin, then Leo crowdfunding, then Leo cafe, Leo charity, Leo traveling, Leo property, Leo education. Lot of different projects we are working, and it is very important project which is called Leo banking. And you know very well what is a bank in the world, what is the role of bank in the world, and you can know about more details about our bank from www.leobank.com. Before going to tell you about all the project details, it is very difficult for me to tell you about all the details of every project. Today I will discuss you just one thing which is very hot cake in the world, and you know very well what is it. You know very well, when the world was launched, at that time people was doing trading with each other with things like that. If you have one thing, you will change this thing with to other person, which is called barter system. Then people have some problems on this way of using way of trading. Then people came to come on the precious stones, then coins, then flat currency, then plastic cards, and then digital currency. And you know very well, right now we are surviving in paper currency, and in online currency is plastic currency. And you know very well, what trend of the world will never stop, it will automatically change after the passage of time. Now guys, what is the next trend of the world, where you can trade where you can trade across the world? At that time in 2009, the one person gave a new trend to the world to trade with each other, and it launched a one coin, its virtual currency, which is called Bitcoin. When it was launched, its one coin was equal to $0.001. At that time, lot of people say it is not good. Lot of people say that wow, it is a good thing. At the end of 2009, then 2010, and in 2011, one coin is equal to $1. Then people create their interest. Wow, there is something. The value of Bitcoin is increasing day by day. Then one person buy 1,000 coins at that time, and he paid $1,000 for 1,000 coins. And the passage of time, in 2013, one coin was equal to $1,000. At that time, this person sold that 1,000 coins and he get 1 million US dollar. It means 10 lakh US dollar. He got a profit just within 2 years. Now, guys, this is very difficult for you to trade in Bitcoin. That Leo company launched its own Leo coin cryptocurrency, but Leo coin launched its Leo currency with more advanced features. Like that, it's have its own community members. They are advertising across the world Leo coin, so that's why many people will use Leo coin. Automatically the value of coin will increase. Leo coin have merchants plan, Leo coin have foundation, Leo coins have POS services, mining services, training material, public exchanges, lot of things. And you can use this Leo coin by private way and public way, and it is very secure coin to do business in this coin. And it is a use friendly, if you can use it very easily to each other. Wow, guys, this is very important good news for you. Leo coin is an award winning revolutionary digital currency with over 2 lakh community members. Leo got DSA Digital Currency Revolutionary Digital Currency Award from DSA Canada. This is our proud moment for guys, for you. If you want to become the Leo member, then you have already award getting a currency. No, guys, this is a very important slide. At the similar like Bitcoin was start $0.001, and Leo coin launched from 0.001 pence. And automatically the value of Leo coins is going up and coming down, going up and coming down, and then its value was 0.50 pence, then 1 pound, and then its value is gradually going ups and downs. It's all depend on the market phenomena. When people will buy more coins, automatically the value of coin will go up, and when the people will sell more coins, the value of coin will go down. But guys, this is the lucky time to collect more coins, Leo coins, as you can, because when its value will high, when you will feel regret, oh my god, we should buy at that time Leo coins. My dear brother, never feel regret. This is the right time to buy more coins as you can. And how you can buy the Leo coins, how you can get the Leo coins. My dear all listeners, you have three different type of packages to become the member of this global company. First package is 1500 pound, which is called gold package, 12-month value pack. Then you have 600 pound package, which is called 4-month value pack. Last one is minimum package, is 150 pound package, which is called 1-month value pack. What you will get in 12-month value pack, my dear all listeners, you will get award of 960 Leo coins in this package, and you have unlimited access to 100 of entrepreneurship training for 12 months. You can get number unlimited trainings from this platform, and you will get internationally live seminar tickets from our international trainers from our international means Leo international trainers travel across the world to teach and train their members how they can become entrepreneurs in their own life. Then 4 months, you have the 4-month access to get 100 of entrepreneurs training and 4 live seminar tickets, and 320 Leo coins has a award. And 1-month value pack, you have the same things, one unlimited access to 100 of entrepreneurship training for 1 month, and 1 live seminar ticket and exclusive bonus, member bonus, and you will get award of 80 coins. Now guys, it's all depend upon you from where you can easily start and to become the member of this company. Let's move on the next slide. Wow, this is very important slide for me. Revolutionary marketing plan. How you can earn from this company. My dear all, you have four different type of bonuses. First bonus is team building bonus. Then you have network bonus. Then you have marketing. Then you have matching bonus. And last one is reverse matching bonus. Now let's move on. We will discuss one by one how you can get all these bonuses. First bonus is matching. First bonus is team building bonus, which is called direct bonus in network marketing language. Let's suppose you started from any package which I share with you the last on the last slide, but I will tell you on the duplication of gold package. Let's suppose you started from the gold package from 1500 pound, then you will get your own rank points of 1250 rank points on left side, 1250 rank points on right side. Then you will refer one person on your left side of gold package, then you will get direct bonus team building bonus 125 pound. When you will refer another member on your another side from gold package, then you will get once again 10% direct bonus of team building bonus 125 pound. My dear brother, minimum required is two business partners you can refer with your direct reference. Maximum you can refer unlimited members with your direct reference. And you will get 10% each from every person. And when automatically you will get at the end of week, you will get 125 pound indirect bonus, network bonus 1:1 ratio. And then you will we have our next rank, or we have our first rank, which is called platinum. When you will become platinum, then you will get 500 pound as a business ownership award, means platinum rank award. My dear, you need 2000 bonus point, you need 2000 rank points on your left side, you need 2000 bonus point on your right side. You will on your lesser side you will become platinum. And I will must share you one thing here. If you will become platinum within 90 days, then company will deposit 20,000 pound in your own account as a business ownership award, and it will be locked in your account. How you can get this 20,000 pound, I will share you on the next slide. Now guys, move on the next slide. We have our next bonus, which is called network bonus, and in network marketing language, which is called indirect bonus. How you will get this bonus? Let's suppose personally you will start it from gold package, and you will refer one person on your left side, and you will refer one person on your left side in 1 week. Now it is your duty to teach and train them, and they are also living in the living society. They will refer two members, on one on left, one on right, and they will refer one on left and right, one on right. It means they will complete their binary, and next people will complete their binary, next people will complete their binary, next people will complete their binary. Then you will get 10% bonus of network bonus according to the law of 1:1 ratio for unlimited level. But after associate rank, you will become the member of the associate pool. You will get indirect bonus from 7% to 11%. Wow, I have a very important good news for you, and you can get 15,000 pound in a week. You can earn 15,000 pound. You can earn 15,000 pound in a week. It means you can earn 60,000 pound in a month. Guys, wow, it is amazing bonus for you to get this. Now guys, let's move on. We have very important bonus, which is called matching bonus. When you will start two members under your team, one on left side, one on right side, and they will start working, you will get 10% or 7% of network bonus. But when they will start earning, you will get earning from the earning of these peoples. Let's suppose you have 1000 people team. They will start earning. They will get some bonuses. Some people will some people will earn 100 pounds, some people will earn 1000 pounds, and you will get earning from the earning of these peoples, and company will not deduct earning from these people. Company will pay you from their marketing budget. Let's suppose you have a team of 1000 people, 100 people, and depend on your team, and you will get earning from the earning of these peoples. Let's suppose you will get from you will get earning from some one person 10 pound, from one you will get 5, you will get 1 pound, you will get 0 pound. But when we will calculate an average formula, you will get 1 pound from every person. You have a team of 1000 people, it means you will get 1000 pound matching bonus per week, and you can get it from first level to deep 10 level. Let's move on the next bonus, reverse matching bonus. Wow, we are unique in the world who are giving you reverse matching bonus. You always heard that if you will work, then you will get earning from your downline. Now, my dear bro, my dear listeners, you can get earning from the earning of your uplines. I know you never heard it before. My dear brother, let's suppose I joined you in this industry. How much I am earning? Company will distribute 5% earning to the to my downline. Similarly, my first sponsor, who will be your second upline, third upline, fourth upline, six, seven. You will get 25% reverse matching bonus from your seven upline. Wow, wow, amazing bonus. This is called win-win-win situation. It means it is called real teamwork. Now let's move on. I have the last session with you, and you know very well every organization have its own rank, level, positions, different names it have. My dear all listeners, we have our different ranks. You will get rank awards of 14 lakh 40,000 worth of awards from 0 level to the last rank. If you will never win any incentive, any promotion, if you will similarly achieve all the ranks, then you will get this award. When you will win promotions and awards, then you will cross these digits. Now let's move on how you can get all these awards. Our first rank is associate. When you will become associate, then company will award you 1000 pound worth of associate award. And when you will become senior associate, then company will pay you 500 pound worth iPhone 5. It's depend upon you. If you want to get iPhone, then you will get iPhone. Otherwise, if you want to get cash, you can get cash. And our next rank is coordinator. When you will become coordinator, then company will give you 600 pound tablet worth, or you can get 600 pound, and you can buy your ownership against of tablet. Then we have our VIP rank, which is called executive, and you know very well what is the level of executive in any company. When you will become the executive of this company, then company will give you one international trip where all the from across the world executive came to attend this event. And I have recently attended, I met lot of executives from across the world. Now we have our next rank, which is called senior executive. When you will become senior executive, then company will award you Mac and projector, which is equal to 2000 pound worth. If you want to get 2000 pound, you can get 2000 pound ownership, or you can get this award. Wow, wow, amazing. I have no words to share the value of director. It is the dream rank of every person to become the director of any company. When you become the director of any company, I have already told you that on the previous slide, when you will become platinum member within 90 days. Company lock £20,000 in your own account. When you will become director, then company unlock this £20,000 plus £5,000. £25,000 company give you award as a director rank award, plus company will pay you £2,000 per month fixed salary and a lot of other benefits. Let's suppose you have your own business idea in your own mind, then you can get 1 lakh pound from the company to as a line award to start your own business. There is a two types. First type, you can get loan from the company and you will pay back without interest, and other option, you can become the you can invite a your company to become the partner of your own business, and company will equally participate with you on the loss and the profit. It's all depend upon you what you discuss on the table talk. A lot of other benefits we have. Now guys, we have our next rank, which is called marketing director. When you become marketing director, then company award you £10,000 worth car award, or you can get £10,000, £20,000 cash award on national marketing director, and regional marketing director company pay you 1 lakh pound property award, or you can get cash. Global marketing director, you can become global you will when you will become global marketing director, then company will pay you 3 lakh pound worth property, or you can get cash. And we have our next and last rank of this company, which is called vice president. When you will become the vice president of this company, then company will award you 1 million pound worth property, or you can get cash. It's all depend on you. And company launch in 20 December 2012. From now, from this date to now, company celebrated its anniversaries and birthday in different countries. Now company is going